Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix can't install WhatsApp Messenger. Click Play Store icon. Click App Info. Click Permission. Allow all permission. Click Back. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Cache. Open Play Store. Click Menu. Click Setting. Click About. Click Play Store version. Check to see if your Play Store is up to date. If there is no update, then update. Click Network Preference. Then click Auto Update Apps. Select Don't Auto Update Apps. I hope your problem has been solved. If anyone has a problem, please comment. Thank you.